CompTIA A Core 2 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 1.6 Given a scenario, configure Microsoft Windows settings. User accounts. This video segment will be dedicated to the User Accounts utility, a vital tool for managing who gets to do what on your Windows device. Whether you're setting up new users, managing passwords, or adjusting account types, this utility helps you keep control over your system's access and security. When you click on User Accounts within the Control panel, you will be taken to the User Accounts section. From here, you'll see several options, such as change account name, change your account type, manage another account, and more. These features allow you to customize user accounts to meet individual needs while helping keep your system secure and well organized. To walk through a few of these features, the Change Account Name option allows you to rename an existing user account, making it easier to identify. For example, you might rename an account from guest to visitor to better reflect its purpose. Change your account type lets you switch between standard user and administrator accounts. Standard users have limited access, making them ideal for everyday tasks, while administrators have the ability to make system-wide changes and install software. Because of this, administrator access should only be granted to trusted users to help maintain system security. Manage another account is where you can view and control all user accounts on the system. From here, you can add new users, modify existing accounts, or remove users who no longer need access. You can also reset passwords and configure parental controls, making this a central location for account management. By using these utility, you can effectively manage user accounts, ensuring that each user has the appropriate level of access while keeping your system secure and organized. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.